In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a free WordPress blog. And first thing to do is to come here to wordpress.com. Be sure to come to wordpress.com rather than wordpress.org. WordPress.org is where you can download the WordPress software to install on your own website. WordPress.com is where they will host the blog for you. Okay, first thing to do is click on this big orange button that says Get Started Here. Then you have to choose your blog address. And here's where it can get a bit tricky, because so many WordPress blogs are out there that you may have to go through a few combinations before you can find a WordPress blog that hasn't been taken already. So let's just try this one. And see if that is taken. Nope, sorry, that site already exists. So I'm going to have to pause the video now while I go through and find one that's available. And there we go, I've found a variant of it, new video for me.wordpress.com. Now you see it's prompting me that I could have newvideoforme.com and then have them host and register the domain name and everything. This costs $17 a year. At the moment I've decided I don't want to do that, so I'm going to say no thanks. I use the free wordpress.com address. Then we'll put the username, and you can see here it's automatically changed that so that it's got the username is the same as the blog address, but I can change that if I want. It's probably best to just leave it as it is. And then they want my password, so let's just put a password in, just copy and pasting in. You can see it's quite a strong password. And then it needs an email address, so I'll put an email address in. And then it asks me if I want to subscribe to their blog to learn about new themes, features and other news. I'll click yes, and then the languages that I'm going to put my blog in. You can see there's a whole lot of different languages that you can have. I'm going to stick it here with English, and then click on sign up. And what's going to happen now is it's going to send me an email to activate the account. So I'll just log into my Gmail account for a moment. And here we are in my Gmail account. You can see we've got the email here from WordPress, so let's just open that. I don't need to know about the new people widget, thank you very much. And now I need to click the link here to activate it. And there we are. My new blog is set up. So now I can start adding in some of the extra things here. Should allow that. For example, my profile. I can put in my first name, last name, and how it's going to be displayed. So let's just do that. And there we go. There's some information. This is all rubbish. My name really isn't Sam Owen. And you can see you can put in information there. I'd advise you not to put an email address in unless you want to be inundated with junk mail, but you can put other things in like your Skype address and so on. And then if you want to put in a photo or links to websites and so on, you can do that there. And then click on Update Profile. And then we can put a post into the blog. Click on Posts. And click on Add New. I'll just type in my first post. There we go. And I can then publish that. And there we go, that's online. I can also change things like the appearance of it. I can add a template, or I can add other links to it as well. There's a whole lot of different things that you can explore here. See, this is the current theme, which is the standard one, but you can add other ones as well, which you can add in from the WordPress site and so on. Let's just take a look at my post, and there we go. There it is being shown online, and that's how you set up a free WordPress blog.